Nearly half of all children 8 and under have their own tablet with an average screen time of 2.25 hours per day. It does not come as a surprise that screen time is causing issues for children's development. However, the shock comes at the excessively high numbers in regards to the situation and the lasting impact that is being had. Excessive screen time is causing delays in children's social, emotional, and cognitive development, but there are techniques to limit this that will lead to a more promising future. Social development is the process by which an individual acquires the skills, relationships, attitudes, and behaviors to interact effectively with others and function as a member of the society. When children get so used to staring at a screen all day, it becomes difficult to get them to interact in non-screen activities, such as playing with toys, exploring the outdoors, or simply interacting with others. Dr. Jennifer F. Cross, a developmental and behavior pediatrics expert at New York Presbyterian Kamensky Children's Hospital, states, "They will not learn about the world around them if all they're doing is looking at a smartphone. This will not just affect their ability to learn new things, but also how they interact with others and how language develops." Cross reveals the importance of finding a balance between screen time and real-life interaction for children in a critical period of their development. Emotional development also comes at a price with children's excessive screen times. There are countless mental health effects. 1 in 4 teens who reported 4 or more hours of daily screen time experienced anxiety, 27.1%, or depression symptoms, 25.9%. Anxiety and depression symptoms reduced significantly for teens who had less than 4 hours of daily screen time, 12.3% and 9.5% respectively. Cognitive development is also a factor to take into consideration. More than 4 hours of daily screen time leads to delays in problem solving, such as defining, analyzing, and evaluating problems. More than 7 hours of daily screen time leads to thinning of the brain's cortex, which is the area designated for critical thinking and reasoning. The physical property of the brain is being damaged. This is a health risk that needs to be taken into consideration. Although there are many issues that come with excessive screen time, there are countless techniques and insights that can allow for safe screen time practices and harmless development down the road. First is to co-watch. Co-watching helps children understand what they're seeing by commenting on things on the screen and asking questions to keep them engaged. Repeating these concepts will allow children to be more likely to retain what they're seeing instead of simply zoning out on the screen in front of them. Keeping bedtime, mealtime, and family time screen-free. This will allow to avoid the expenses of blue light. Michael Rich, Associate Professor of Pediatrics at Harvard Medical School and a part of the American Board of Pediatrics, argues, avoid blue light emitting screen use before bedtime. Using blue light emitting screen devices like smartphones before bedtime can disrupt sleep patterns by suppressing the secretion of the hormone melatonin. This quote reveals that the simple act of viewing blue light before sleep is impacting your internal hormones and overall sleep performance. Limit your own phone use and lead by example. If children see adults behind a screen all day, they will likely think that it is acceptable and want to do the same thing. Kids do what they see their parents doing. Therefore, it's possible that the changes start with the adults. Overall, screen time is unavoidable. However, finding a healthy balance between online and offline time will allow you and your children to successfully develop in many areas of your life. Thank you.